Good morning, dear students. Hope you are safe and sound. Dear students, today I am going to restart the chapter, The Rise of Nationalism in Europe. And the question that I am going to describe and discuss today is, how far is it correct to say that the time period from 1830 to 1848 saw hunger, hardship and peasants' uprising? So dear students, I have given you 5 very important points and I am going to describe every point one by one. So first point is rise in the population of Europe 1830. So dear, the year of 1830 to 1848 population of Europe became doubled and tripled, and Europe saw a great rise in the population, and due to population, people of Europe started to face problems regarding food shortages and regarding availability of food grains. So second point is high inflation, and you know that when mouths are more and food grains are less, so this is the time when price of food grains increase dramatically. As a result, the same thing happened in Europe. So when population of Europe increased a lot during the year of 1830 to 1848, what happened as a result? Price of food grains also increased sharply. Also, Europe saw a sharp increase in the price of food grains and food items, okay, due to high inflation. Next point is protest of unemployed youth in Paris 1848. And you know that according to the Constitution of France, right to work was considered as fundamental rights. So unemployed youth of France came out of their home and they started to protest against the government. They started to ask employment. They started to demand job opportunities, because according to the Constitution of France, it was responsibility of the government to provide job opportunities to the citizen of France. So you know that due to rise in the population and due to high inflation, job opportunities also decreased in France. So unemployed youth came out of their home and they organized many strikes and they organized many hartals. Okay, next one is uprising of peasants against the contractor in Paris. In that day, weaving was a very, very important occupation, and thousands and lakhs of French people were engaged in the occupation of weaving. So you know that due to job opportunities, contractors started to exploit weavers, and contractors forced weavers to do job for very low amount of wages. So therefore, when weavers and peasants of France became disillusioned and disappointed, so they also started to organize strike. So as a result, weavers came on the road and they started to attack on the house of contractor. As a result, contractor also retaliated and 11 weavers and peasants were shot dead. And you know that what happened, and after that a fight started between weavers and between the contractor, and in this way Europe and France saw a very famous uprising, and that uprising was led by weavers of Paris and peasants of France. So in next line I have written this, the contractor and death of 11 weavers. So when house of contractor was attacked and stormed by the mob, so that took help from the army of France and after that a direct fight started between the contractor and between weavers, and as a result uprising happened and riot started to take place in different pockets of France. So this is all about time period from 1830 to 1848, and we can say that this is the time period between them Europe saw hunger, hardship. What is meaning of hardship? Hardship means extreme situation when people of a country are forced to live in a poor life. So this is the condition that was seen in France between 1830 to 1848. Therefore, it is correct to say that 1833 and 1848 was the time period when Europe saw hunger, hardship and popular revolt and popular uprising. I hope that you understood. Thank you. Bye for now.